Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic and Clinique limited edition beauty box for you. I'm very excited with this because I haven't used Clinique products in a long time. In this box there is some makeup and there's also some skincare, so we've got a good mix there, which I'm very happy about. You know me, I love a makeup, so I'm happy that there's a few pieces in this box. Before I get started with the unboxing, if you are brand new to my channel, I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell next to that so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like and enjoy this unboxing, then give it the big thumbs up. This is what the box looks like. It's this pale greeny kind of aqua colour, and on the front it says Look Fantastic and Clinique. So just like the Liz Aero box which I unboxed the other week there, that had a sleeve on it. This is also the same with this box. This is just a cover on it and we just slide the box out. Now it's worth £98 but it's selling for £50. There is a code which I will leave here on the screen for you. It's Clinique BB and that will get you £5 off your box. I will leave all the info down below in the description box for you, along with a link to the box if you're interested in it. Now we get this magazine as well which tells us all about the Clinique products, and I had a quick look through this earlier and it's actually a really good read about the products, to be honest. Now I've used one of the products today on my face from the box and I'm excited to share it with you. Like I said, there is a mix of makeup and skincare in this box, and I'm going to start off with the thing that I'm probably most excited about from Clinique, because I've always wanted to try this. This is like a product that I seen, like, it's for many years, like way back when I started getting into makeup. This was a product that I always seen people using and never bought at the time because it was always really expensive at the time. You know, back then, you know, Clinique was probably like one of the kind of biggest pioneer like makeup brands where they were always really expensive and you couldn't buy at the time. Now all makeup's around about the same price as like all high-end products were back in the day. But anyway, this is the first thing we get here. This is the Chubby Stick. This is a contouring stick which I'm very excited about. You know me, I love bronzer, I love contour. This just is perfect. This is it right here. First of all, I love the packaging for it. Like I said, when I see this, it just reminds me like when I first got into makeup, old school, like just, you know, like I don't know, this is something about this product and it makes me so happy. It's like a little twist up stick like so, and I've actually used this on my face today and I'll tell you this is amazing. Like this blends so beautifully on the skin. So I have it on my cheeks to contour today. Have a little bit of powder bronzer on top though, but like the depth of my bronzer basically came from this, to be honest. Easy to apply, like it's very kind of creamy when you apply it to, you know, from the stick. However, when you blend it out, it has a little bit of, it's creamy enough to blend, but it's not like blending that much where it slips all over your face, if you know what I mean. So there's a lot of control when you're blending this product out. Now the shade is number 1 Curvy Contour, and it's a really perfect shade for my complexion. So I am kind of light right now. I have some tan on, so I'm kind of like in the kind of light medium bracket. So I think this will be good for a few skin tone categories like light and medium skin tones. However, I'm not too sure about fair and deep skin. I'm not too sure how this would work. However, if you're kind of like my kind of skin tone, then I think this will work really well for you. Like I said, it's such a beautiful creamy product. There's like some info in the book that tells you like how to use the product and all that, which is great. I don't know what's going on here because I've never contoured in this angle before. I don't know how that would go, like I don't understand that. However, I just applied this right here, also up into my forehead here on both sides of course, and blend out beautifully. I use a little bit more of a denser brush to blend it out, which is this one right here from Iconic London. This is perfect to blend out most contour products that I have. It's kind of like dense enough that, you know, it doesn't move the product about too much and gives you real control. Yeah, that is a great brush for cream contouring. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's very natural on the skin but still gives you that depth where you look bronzed and contoured. I love that it's shimmer free. There's no shimmer in it at all. It's just like this nice kind of radiant creamy finish contour. It's just lovely. It's a real love product and I'm just so happy to have this. Like something about this just makes me so happy. Like I've always wanted this stick, and I don't know why I've never bought it, because it's not exactly out of my price range for makeup now, because I spend so much money on makeup, and like the price of products I buy are like way more expensive than what this guy is. I just don't know why I have never picked this up. But anyway, I'm so happy to have this incredible product. Very excited to put this into like my makeup bag to use more often, because yep, I think it's beautiful. And this of course is a full size product, and the price of this is £22.50. So like I said, a lot cheaper than half the bronzes that I buy, to be honest. Like, yeah. The next thing we get inside is a really lovely moisturizer. This is the Moisture Surge from Clinique. Like, I'll just take out the packaging. This is also a moisturizer that I have used before, and I've really enjoyed it. It's a very kind of hydrating moisturizer, so that's it right there. Really nice, kind of simple, fresh looking packaging. Like, yes, the packaging's just really nice. It's nothing too over the top with this. It's just quite simple, but just nice. That's what it looks like here, and as you can see, is this gel type moisturizer. And this is one of the reasons why I really enjoyed this before, because I've always mentioned to you guys that I love like gel products or like serums and things like that on my skin. My skin tends to love them a lot more than just like a cream. The info on this says that the oil-free gel cream moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and aloe biothermin that sinks into skin for deep lasting hydration, and this is suitable for all skin types, it says. I'm excited to use this again, and there isn't much of a scent from this moisturizer. Like, I can't smell anything from this moisturizer, which is good. This is a really nice product. I like it so like watery and lightweight, and like I said, it's a gel texture, which I just love. And yeah, I'm excited. I also love that it's got aloe in it. I love aloe on my skin. I'm looking forward to using that again. And this is a 30 ml. The next thing inside is another makeup product. This is their High Impact Mascara. That's what it looks like there. And this is actually a really nice mascara. I had a little mini of this before and it was nice. The brush in it is quite bushy. It's like quite a big kind of bushy brush. I don't want to open just now because I have millions of mascaras right now that I have to get through before this guy. The info says it's a buildable, volumizing and lengthening mascara, and it kicks up the volume and the length of each and every lash for 12 hours of smudge and clump free lashes. So again, like I said, looking forward to using this again. Now the next thing we get inside is another skincare product, and it's the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So this balm here was a balm that I always wanted to try. I have it in my collection right now. I need to use it again, because one of the reasons why I was so excited to use this balm in the first place is because, if you guys ever heard of Casey Holmes, I'm sure you guys have, on YouTube, like, she used to use this all the time on her face, and back in the day, you know, she was one of like the OG YouTubers. I just love Casey, and when she done a lot of makeup tutorials, I used to love watching them and things like that, and she used to always use this to like remove her makeup at night and things like that, in her night routines and vlogs and things, and it always intrigued me. It's a cleanser that when I see it, it reminds me of her. I'm so excited to use this again. It really does melt down your makeup. It also melts down waterproof makeup too. And the info says it's a lightweight makeup remover which quickly dissolves eye and face makeup and sunscreen. It gently helps remove the stress of pollution so skin looks younger for longer. It's a non-greasy and non-drying formula. It is like a silky cleansing balm, which is nice. So yeah, it does really work. It removes all your makeup, and this is a 30 ml. Okay, the next thing we get inside the box, I'm looking forward to trying out, because there's some info in this booklet which tells you all about it, and it sounds great. It's apparently a worldwide TikTok and Instagram famous product. To be honest, I haven't heard of it until now, until the info here, you know, told me about it. This is the Almost Lipstick in the shade Black Honey. Now, it's supposed to have gone viral because it says it matches a lot of women and their lips and skin tone and things like that. It's the shade Black Honey, like I said. This is it right here. That's the shade of it. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this and swatching this on my lips today to see exactly how the shade is, because for me this is not a shade that I typically would wear on my lips, but because it's like a balm, I think it's going to be a lot kind of sheerer and lighter than like a full on matte opaque lipstick. So that's why I'm looking forward to testing this, and because according to this there's 45 million TikTok views on this, so that's very, very intriguing. But before I swatch it, I'll just tell you the info. It says the cult classic Black Honey is famous for its chameleon-like ability to flutter all skin tones, yet look different on everyone. The sheer formula is part of its mystique. So yeah, of course it's a balm-like texture, so I'm going to just remove my lipstick just now and put this on and see how it goes. You can see there it's got this light kind of grape colour, would you say this is? Yeah, like a grape colour. Okay, so I've removed most of my lipstick. I'm just going to go and swatch this on it. That's actually really nice. It's more subtle than I thought it would be, so I'm happy about that. It's kind of like this light grape type of colour. It's a really good lip for every day. You know, it's something that you could just apply on your lips and not have to worry about it. I would love to see this on other skin tones, like light skin tones and like deeper skin tones, to see how, you know, how it would look. Yeah, interesting, because apparently they say that it suits all skin tones, which I find amazing. And the 45 million TikTok views is crazy, considering I haven't even heard of this colour. But then again, I'm not on TikTok, like I just cannot get into TikTok. But anyway, so that's everything inside the limited edition Look Fantastic and Clinique beauty box. I would love to know your thoughts on this box, but my favourite product, the standard product for me, is definitely that chubby stick, and also this moisturizer is one of my favourites as well from the box. Everything in here is great. I cannot wait to use it all, and I would love to know your thoughts on everything. And if you're interested in picking up the box, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.